A social insurance number, or S.I.N, is a 9-digit unique number issued by the Government of Canada to citizens, permanent residents, temporary residents, and students. You should apply for a S.I.N as soon as possible after arriving in Canada. You need to have a S.I.N to work, open a bank account, obtain government services, apply for a student loan, and pay taxes. Apply for a S.I.N through a Service Canada Centre. To find your nearest office, look in the phone book, online, or by calling 1-800-O-Canada. You can apply for your S.I.N in person or by mail. If possible, apply in person and be sure to bring all the correct paperwork with you. You'll need to fill out an application form and show original documents that prove your identity and status in Canada. The documentation a permanent resident requires to apply for a S.I.N includes permanent resident card, confirmation of permanent residence, and Canadian visa attached to your passport. You should be sure that all your information on your confirmation document is correct before applying for your S.I.N. Any inaccurate information on this document will delay your application. If you are a temporary resident and authorized to work in Canada, you need to apply for a S.I.N. Your documentation to support this includes Canadian work permit, study permit, visitor record, or a diplomatic identity card. If your documents have a different name than the one you are now using, you must supply supporting documents, such as a certificate of marriage or legal change of name. Documents must be originals in English or French. Each person will need to apply for their own S.I.N number. For example, a family of 3 would have 3 separate numbers: one for the mother, one for the father, and one for the child. In order to obtain government services for your family, apply for your child's S.I.N while you are applying for your own. There is no minimum age restriction. To apply, you must have your child's original documents that show you are the parent or legal guardian. If you want to apply by mail, obtain forms from the Service Canada website and mail original copies of all requested information. Once you receive your card, take care of it. Your S.I.N card is not an identity card. Only provide your social insurance number when it is legally required. You should leave the card in a safe place. Carry it with you only if you know you are going to need it that day. Do not provide your S.I.N number to anyone on the phone or by email unless you have made the call and know who you are dealing with. The Service Canada website has more information about protecting your S.I.N number. You're now on your way to becoming a resident of British Columbia.